And I'm here also brought you the gifts for the candidates. And Governor said he wishes all of you succeed in the exams.
Thank you.
And he has also made a promise. If all of you pass exams, he will come and slaughter for you a cow. And before I give you the gifts, because the MCS promised money for you, isn't it?
Yes.
I want to collect for you the money before they run away. Let Mheshimiwa Bagaka search all his pockets so that the money can be enough. This is 10,000 from Mheshimiwa Moracha, the majority leader. The 20,000 from Mheshimiwa Bagaka. Who else have promised? Mheshimiwa Richmond. Mheshimiwa Nafta, 5,000. Mheshimiwa Machuki, 5,000.